Humble pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba, my master, my guru, and one who's taken me through this journey of life. The meaning of the Gayatri Mantra. Gayatri, the word is derived from Gayantam Triyate Iti. It means that which rescues, protects, preserves, and saves the chanter. Gayatri also means she who protects the singer. Gai, to sing, and try to protect. Gayatri is the name for the Divine Mother who protects her children and leads them towards self-realization. This sacred Gayatri Mantra embodies all divine potencies. It is an elaboration of the Shabda Brahma, the Pranava, Om. It is addressed to the immanent and transcendent and divine, which has been given the name of Savita, which means that from which all is born. The Gayatri Mantra is a prayer to the universe intelligence to illuminate your intellect and your faculty of discrimination so that you may realize who you are. It supports the seeker of truth regardless of their caste, creed, gender, or sect on their journey of self-realization. Now the first line of the Gayatri Mantra, Bhur Bhuva Swaha, brings about the unity of body, mind, and soul. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi is about breaking free from the darkness. And Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat means the effulgence of the divine. Dispel the darkness of ignorance. O Divine Mother, our hearts are filled with darkness. Swami says this. Please make this darkness distant from us and promote illumination within us. The Gayatri Mantra has Vedic teachings, the essence. Each of the four Vedas has a core called a Mahavakya embedded within. The Gayatri is a synthesis of 1. Prajnanam Brahma. Consciousness is Brahma. Aham Brahmasmi. I am Brahman. Tattvamasi. That thou art. I am Atma Brahma. This self is Brahman. Do you all know the real meaning of the word Gayatri? The word is taken to mean either a goddess or a formula. Swami says Gayatri is that which protects the life breaths or the senses, beginning with speech. Beside it is said, that which saves who sing it, revere it, repeat it, or meditate on it is called Gayatri. Gayantam trayate yasmat Gayatri kathayate. This sacred mantra transformed a royal sage, Raja Rishi, like Vishwamitra, into an enlightened sage, Brahma Rishi. The mother that is the Veda, the Ved Mata, Veda Chandasam, will confirm all boons on those who worship her. That goddess is described in glorious terms in the Brahmanas and the text of Dharmas. If you realize this, that Gayatri can help you to know your dharma. Now the Gayatri has three names: Gayatri, Savitri, Saraswati. These three are present in each one of us. Gayatri is the master of the senses. Savitri is the master of the life force, the prana, and signifies truth. Saraswati is the presiding deity of speech. These three represent purity in thought, word, and deed. Now, Gayatri, Savitri, and Saraswati are in all of us. Bhut Bhurva Swa in the Gayatri mantra refers to the body, materialization. The life force is a vibration and the soul is a radiation. What does Bhu mean? Bhu means Bhuloka, earth, which is nothing but a combination of materials. This denotes that the human body is a combination of materials. Bhuva refers to the life force, which makes the body vibrate. Suva refers to Prajnanam Shakti, which sustains the life force. This Prajnanam Shakti is also known as constant integrated awareness. This is termed as radiation. Swami says all the three, namely materialization, vibration, and radiation, are present in man. He says, I tell you often, you are not one, but three. The one you think you are, the physical body, the one others think you are, the mental body, and the one you really are, that is Atma. The goddess Gayatri is known as Panchamukhi, 5 faces. What are they? The first face, Om. Bhur Bhuvaswa, the second. Tat Savitur Varenyam, the third. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, the fourth. And Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat, the fifth. First, the divine is praised. Then we meditate upon. And lastly, the prayer is offered to the divine to remove the darkness of ignorance and awaken and strengthen the intellect. Dhimahi means the meditative aspect, and Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat relates to the prayer. Chanting this prayer confers devotion, detachment, and wisdom. Through meditation on the Gayatri, one can become aware of the inner motivating principle of the 5 elements, the 5 vital airs in the human body, and the 5 sheaths which encase the Atma. Just as there are 3 basic energies that govern man, the physical, the metaphysical, the psychical, called Adi Bhautik, Adi Daivik, and Adi Atmik. Gayatri has 3 facets. Bhagavan says Gayatri, Savitri, and Saraswati. Gayatri fosters the metaphysical, Savitri the physical, and Saraswati the psychical. The 3 karanas or instruments have to be cleansed and sublimated so that man can realize the goal of life. Through the recital of Gayatri Mantra and meditation thereon, this great task can be achieved. So, the Gayatri Mantra, the Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha, is related to the waking state, the dream state, and the sleep state. All these three states are in every individual. They are states of consciousness in man. We think that Bhuloka is the world we live in, and Bhuvaloka is Swarga, and Suvarvaloka is beyond that. Swami says that's not correct. All these worlds are in our heart alone. The outside world we see is formed of inner matter. The world you see is Bhu, and the power that causes movement is Bhiva, or Prana Shakti, which can be termed as vibration. The life force, Prana, is Bhuva. Because Prajnana, which is inside the life force, is able to cause a vibration and activate the limbs. The source of Prajna is Suva, or radiation. Thus, Bhur, Bhuva, Suha represent the forces of radiation, vibration, and materialization. Jai Sai Ram. Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.